Hey guys, welcome back. We got a quick little project today. We're going to be switching out these lights. These were from the original from the house. They're a brass colored spotlight. They do kind of move around and they're directional. So we're going to replace them with these. The Suncoat Lighting Retrofit LED light. This set is at 3000 Kelvin, which is a warm light. It's dimmable and it is on a gimbal, so it's rotatable. It can spin and basically point in any direction that we need it to. As you see, everything comes with it. It's really easy to replace. You just remove the previous pot lights and this slides into the casing that's already there. One of the problems we were having with these lights is that they were flickering. So we don't know if it's from the LED bulb that we put in there, the fact that they're a little dated or what, but we're going to change them out and we're going to get started. Removal is pretty simple. It's just in there by pressure with some wires. You just bend them to pop it out. Now it seems to have fixed our problem. The lights no longer flicker and it dims the way it's supposed to. I'll leave a link to the lights and where we got them in the description. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.